this is the start of something new. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am up early, got my workout in this morning, and it's Friday, so happy Friday. What's wrong? And I am now heading out. What happened? Come here. To take Tyler to the doctor because today he's getting a shot. So we're taking him to the doctor right now for his checkup and get his shot and all that good stuff. Hey, say good morning. Yeah, ear. Say good morning.
Morning.
Morning, Fizz. Yeah, you're going to the doctor? He's not giving up an opportunity to read. T. 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 Y. L. E. R. What does that spell? Tyler! You spelling your name? Alright, you guys, baby's actually off today from work. He's gone in town. Oh, you're giving them kisses. Mwah. Baby's gone in town to pick up Tyler's shot because when they're giving the kids injection here, the hospital don't provide it. You have to go to the pharmacy and pick it up and then take it at the hospital. So he's gone to pick up Tyler's shots and meet me at the hospital. Go catch the bus and meet baby at the hospital. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Get your workout in, because I surely did get my workout in this morning, but I didn't vlog. Of course, we're reaching advance and baby's not here yet, so we just have to wait on him for about 15-20 or so minutes and he shall be here. Airplane where? I don't see any. You see? You see airplane? It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold.
Tu vas casser ma balance. Il mange bien. Quand tu l'as grossi, hein. Bien, il mange. Tant mieux, tant mieux. C'est fini. Fini. Pas de douche, pas de bain aujourd'hui. No shower today.
Okay. Finish. Put on shirt.
Systématique.
Oui. Il sait compter maintenant. Et il connaît les chiffres. Il est intelligent, il n'a que 27 mois, non? Jusqu'à 30. C'est le premier, donc je ne sais pas comment il sort. Mais jusqu'à 30, il connaît les couleurs.
time for medicine. Come, medicine. Ah. And I feel like a stuffed pork, but I literally feel so stuffed and so full. Tyler, you had a good lunch? Yum yum. Num numbers. Tyler loved the name and he enjoyed the rice. Babe, how was lunch?
That was very good. That was very good.
You talked to the police this morning? No?
No, they saw me, but no. Hi guys. Yeah, we stopped having some food because the doctor appointment took very long. Took us after 1 hour and a half after what we were supposed to. So we're here, just finished to eat. Outside is kind of cold, kind of not sunny, so don't think we're gonna stay here much time. So we're going to head up, going home, and yeah, that's basically it for now. That was very good. Lunch was very good.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna head home with this bad boy. Look at him. By the way, you guys, Tyler doctor appointment went really well, even though he cried like crazy. The doctor says he have a memory of a 3-year-old, which is so right, so true. But yeah, at least he got his shot. He said it won't hurt today, it will hurt tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'll be looking forward to that day. He's gonna cry.
Hi guys, yeah, so we're home now. We had a little nap, or a long night, she has to say. Baby's gone to work. She should be here soon. Tara's here. He's a little bit miserable. You know, when you got shot, and I think his arm, because he got a shot in the arm, his arm hurting him. So yeah, he's a little bit miserable. For now, he's busy doing his puzzle, and yeah, hopefully his mind stays busy. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Peppa Pig. C'est Peppa Pig. C'est quelle couleur Peppa Pig?
Vert.
Vert, oui. So Tyler is here doing this puzzle. Yeah, I'm going to cook some food for Tyler, because I think when babe come, we go on the road, the supermarket thing. So I think when babe come, we should be on the road, the supermarket thing. So yeah, I'm gonna cook for Tyler. I hope you all doing well. Today is Black Friday, so I'm gonna see, maybe at the store we find some little deal. So yeah, hopefully if we find that. Otherwise we're gonna have to go online. Black Friday is something that in France is kind of new here, or maybe it's new, just they don't know, but like 5 years ago, 4 years ago, never heard about it. So yeah, now you can see Black Friday, almost every store have Black Friday. Most of the time they have a like Black Friday week, because it wasn't holiday, it's not holiday here, so people at work. So Black Friday, when people at work, they don't really have much people, so they're just gonna give you a entire week, Black Friday week, so people can go on the weekend or any other time. So this is what Tyler dinner will look like. Just some pasta. In French we call them ravioli. is pasta with things inside. So this one is like bacon and cheese inside. So the last time we tried to give Tyler some
Why
cheesy.
Tyler just gonna eat?
Cause it's just 6 somethings. Usually eat at 7.5. With me, 7. I mean, he's about to eat, and he is complaining.
Hi guys. Hilarious. You making Tyler dinner?
Yeah, so that's Tyler dinner. So yeah, I was saying that usually Tyler, the last time we tried to give him this type of pasta with different things inside, but obviously didn't like it. So this is his favorite one. So he's gonna get this for dinner now, and then we're gonna get ready.
I love this one. It's just that it will get dirty, but I still like it. Alright, take both of them. Tyler, you like the jackets? Baby, you love them? We got 2 jackets for you. Don't put on back that one. Hey guys, we're at the supermarket trying to get some goodies. We just bought Tyler 2 jackets, and we're going now to pick up some food. Tyler, how about this one that don't have anything on it? You want this one? No, put down back this one. Take that one. Okay? He's hugging up his donut. Put it in. Bravo!
What you take?
Oh, it's not the same thing.
Yeah, but if you take this, I'm not gonna take this. I'm gonna eat one from Tyler.
Okay. Come Tyler, let's get bread. Ty? Here. Here. You're not tired, boy? Dance! His favorite. Bravo, croissant. Give it to Papa.
See?
I think that because it's Black Friday, the supermarket will be full, but it's as empty as can be. Just me and my crew. Me and my crew. Hey faves. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much have happened since we last spoke to you guys. Our washing machine was giving some problems, so we had to figure it out. But I think our final solution is that it wanted to clean, so we pick up something at the supermarket and got it clean, and I think it's finally working now. So let's see how it's going to do the first set of laundry since we cleaned it. So that's that. What else happened? Funny story. Tyler passy that he have, we always have the one that he's sucking plus at least 1 or 2 spare. So the one that he's sucking, he actually bite it or something, and there's a hole in it, so he can't suck it anymore. So since today he's saying that his passy is broken. Broken mama, broken papa, broken. And he doesn't want it, he's not sucking it. So he went to nap today without his passy, and he's pretty sad that it's broken. Funny enough that we gave him the spare one, and he doesn't want the spare. Reason why is that this, I think I just hear him. The spare one look just like the original one that he's sucking right now. So we're telling him that the spare one is a new one, but he pushed it away and said broken. He still doesn't want the spare one. So he went to bed tonight without crying and without his passy. So let's see if this is the start of something new. Let's see if it's the start of no passy, or let's see if it's just a phase that he's going through. Just going to stop rambling and tell you guys thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time watching. We won't give you guys any expression tonight. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys that we will see you in tomorrow's vlog.